Hey everyone, welcome back to Medical Zone. Today, I've got something really fun and a little bit crazy to share with you. I decided to try every TikTok health-related advice I could find over the past few weeks to see what actually works, what's just a trend, and what might even be dangerous. TikTok is overflowing with health tips, some backed by science, some completely made up, and others just plain weird. So I thought I'd put these viral hacks to the test so you don't have to waste your time or risk your health trying them out yourself. First, let's start with one of the most popular and harmless-sounding tips: drinking lemon water every morning. The idea is that it helps boost digestion, improve skin, and detoxify your body naturally. I started doing this every day for a week. Honestly, I didn't notice any huge differences, but it did make my mornings feel a lot more refreshing and gave me a little boost of hydration. Plus, I liked that it's simple and easy to incorporate into my routine. Just be careful, because the acidity can erode your tooth enamel over time. It's best to rinse your mouth afterward or drink it through a straw. Next up, I tried the infamous apple cider vinegar shots. Many TikTokers swear by it for weight loss, blood sugar control, and digestion. I decided to take a shot of diluted apple cider vinegar every morning for 5 days. The first day, it was pretty harsh, burning in my throat and stomach. I also experienced mild nausea and an upset stomach. While I didn't see any significant changes in my weight or energy levels, I did learn that drinking it straight is harsh on your stomach and teeth. The consensus among health experts is to always dilute apple cider vinegar with water if you decide to try it, and don't overdo it. More isn't better. Then there's the popular cold shower challenge, which claims that taking cold showers can boost circulation, strengthen your immune system, improve your mood, and even increase mental clarity. I committed to taking cold showers every morning for a week. At first, it was brutal. The cold water hit me like a shock every time, and I hated every second. But after a few days, I started to notice that I felt more alert and awake afterward, and my mood seemed to lift. Plus, I noticed less muscle soreness after workouts. It was tough, but I actually began to look forward to it. I think I'll keep this habit. It's free, simple, and surprisingly effective. Another popular trend I explored was the juice cleanse, or detox. Many TikTok videos recommend doing a 3-day juice fast to rid your body of toxins and reset your digestive system. So I decided to try a 3-day juice cleanse. It was much harder than I expected. Low energy, hunger pangs, headaches, and irritability. I felt drained and fatigued, and by the 3rd day, I was exhausted. After completing it, I realized that my body already has a natural detox system, mainly my liver, kidneys, and digestive system, and that extreme cleanses aren't necessary. In fact, they can sometimes do more harm than good if not done properly. Eating balanced, nutritious food and staying hydrated is the best way to support your body's detox processes. One of the more interesting and less extreme tips I tested was tongue scraping. The idea is that scraping your tongue every morning removes bacteria and toxins, leading to fresher breath and better oral hygiene. I used a tongue scraper for a week, and honestly, my mouth felt fresher, and I noticed less morning breath. While there isn't a ton of scientific evidence supporting tongue scraping, it's a simple practice that might improve oral health and boost your confidence when you start your day. I also gave intermittent fasting a try, which is a popular trend for weight management, mental clarity, and even longevity. I opted for the 16-8 method, eating only during an 8-hour window each day, from noon to 8 p.m., and fasting the rest of the time. At first, I was skeptical, but I found that it helped me control my calorie intake and made me more mindful of what I was eating. I also felt more energized and focused during the fasting hours. However, fasting isn't for everyone. People with certain health conditions, pregnant women, or those with a history of eating disorders should definitely consult with a healthcare professional before trying it. Another thing I experimented with was herbal teas and supplements that TikTok recommends for boosting immunity and energy. I added ginger tea, turmeric, and echinacea to my daily routine. While these have some scientific backing for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, I didn't notice any dramatic effects within just a week. They're nice natural additions to a balanced diet, but shouldn't replace proper nutrition, sleep, and medical treatment if you're sick. One trend I found really amusing was the massaging your face to improve circulation. It sounds odd, but I gave it a try with gentle facial massage techniques. Over a few days, I felt my skin looked a little brighter, and I felt more relaxed and less stressed. While it's not a miracle cure, taking a few minutes for self-care like this can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve your overall mood. And finally, I tried the hydration hack of adding electrolytes to my water, which TikTok claims can improve hydration and energy levels, especially after workouts. I did notice I felt a little more energized during my workouts, and my recovery seemed better. While I wouldn't say it's necessary for everyone, it's a simple way to boost hydration if you're sweating a lot or feeling dehydrated. So, what's the overall takeaway from trying all these TikTok health hacks? Well, some of them, like cold showers and tongue scraping, have proven to be beneficial and are worth giving a shot. Others, like juice cleanses, lacked scientific support and made me feel worse, so be cautious. And some, like lemon water and herbal teas, are harmless and can be part of a healthy routine, but aren't miracle cures. The most important lesson? Always do your own research, listen to your body, and consult with healthcare professionals before making big changes, especially with extreme or unproven methods. Remember, TikTok is a platform full of creative ideas, but not everything is backed by science. Be skeptical, prioritize proven, sustainable health habits, and never try anything that feels unsafe or uncomfortable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching me try all these trends, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Medical Zone, and let me know in the comments which TikTok health trend you think is totally crazy, or which one you'd be willing to try yourself. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.